Most people lose money trading meme coins. I made $2.2 million doing the complete opposite, launching them. You don't need luck, you need control. And in this video, I'm showing you exactly how I did it. I used to trade every 10 seconds, chasing the next coin, hoping to catch a pump. Most of the time though, I got completely dumped on. Then I stopped trading and I started launching. When you launch, you are not at the mercy of the market. You are the market. You choose the name, the supply, the timing, and everything is on your terms. And because you are the one launching, you've got nothing to lose. But if you keep trading, you'll lose over and over again. Trust me bro, I've been there. Bitcoin is running, Solana's hot, there's never been a better moment to launch your own coin than right now. By the way, this video is made for educational purposes only, do not copy me, cap! Pump.Fun is overcrowded, plain and simple. Hundreds of coins launch every hour and yours is just another name in the pile. No visibility, no priority, and worst of all, no fucking control. You cannot adjust liquidity, you cannot pull profits when you want to, and your coin isn't even live until someone else buys in. That's why I switched to create tokens.io. It pushes your token straight to Raydium, fully live, instantly graduated, and tradable the second you launch. No delays, no waiting, no noise. You control the supply, you manage the liquidity, and you own all the upside. If you want real exposure and real results, this is the only launchpad that delivers. When it's time to launch, create tokens.io gives you two solid choices. First method, build your own. Pick a viral trend, could be a meme or something ridiculous that's going viral. You can go on Twitter to find something good. Give it a name, a ticker, and upload a 128 by 128 logo. Click next and boom, your token is ready to launch. The second method, my favorite and by far the most profitable, copy trending coin. This taps directly into Pump.Fun's hot list. Coins that are already moving and pulling in volume. You click the copy and it's instantly deployed on Raydium. With no delay by the way. And the best part, since these coins already have traffic and attention, you get instant buyers and often way more profit than building from scratch. No guesswork, no dead launches, just fast flips. Both options work, but the second one is where I've made the biggest gains. Anyways, we're gonna stop yapping and let's launch a coin and actually make some money for you guys. So first of all, connect your wallet with Phantom, refresh list, and we're gonna see which coin looks popping. Okay, I could, copy the King of the Hill, but I'm gonna go with a older coin. So I'm gonna go with the Raydium coin. I just picked a random coin. It has a Telegram on a Twitter, a last buy 2 minutes ago, which is not bad, and 18 replies and a $20,000 market cap. So I'm gonna create coin. Your Phantom wallet should pop up. You will get a warning from Phantom. Just ignore it. Every single person is gonna get this. Proceed, confirm, understand, confirm, and then the coin should be ready soon. You just have to be patient once again. Boom, if I go on SoScan, boom, it's on chain and it is legit. And now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is really fucking simple. You guys sometimes overcomplicate this page, but it's really fucking easy. Just select your coin, select your Solana balance, amount token A, click on 90%. That's 900 million tokens adding into the liquidity pool. Amount token B, it's the first initial buy inside your own coin, which will be you, okay? You are not losing this money. I'm going to put 0.4 Solana. You can put anything you want. The minimum is 0.3, I'm guessing, because it's written right here. Okay, now you will get this money back later on after you remove the liquidity. Click on create pool, your Phantom wallet should pop up, and then click on confirm. And just like that, we just created the liquidity pool. Click on refresh. And then if you scroll down, boom, the Raydium coin is now live. As you guys can see, we're up $1 for the PNL. But if you re-click refresh once again, oh, we are up $200 fucking. It's been like 2 seconds now. But anyways, click on view on photon to see the chart, and boom, now the coin is live. Now you just have to wait because it's kind of delayed. It's a new coin. Boom, the chart is now live, and we're getting buys. Let me go on full screen. Okay, Now we are starting out at 1.6k in market cap. Now all we have to do from now on is just wait, rack in profits, and then hope for the best. So be right back. I'm gonna do a quick time lapse for you guys. Okay guys, I'm back. As you guys can see, it has been around just a couple minutes and we're up at $2,600 in market cap. And now for the best part, cashing out profits. Now to do that, just tab out, come back to createtokens.fun, and first of all we're gonna refresh. And boom, we're up $1,750 with a 2.4k market cap. Now click on the minus button to remove the liquidity. 100% remove the liquidity. Your phantom wallet should pop up. Oh my fucking god. And as you guys can see here, we're going to receive 9 SOL. Click on confirm. And boom, we just removed the complete liquidity. If I open my phantom wallet without cutting anything, 1.8 bands straight inside my wallet.